music. Meow. Hello, guys. I am in my room with Matey. And I just wanted to show y'all that I just wanted to show y'all something outside. So yeah. And over there's a limb that fell. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. So I'm going to the next room. So bye for right now. Bye, Matey. So here's the next room, and you see that big limb? Yep, I know the window's dirty, but see that? See that little limb? That is that huge one right there. And that was the one that fell because I can see that it's broke. And there's some black clouds out here, and I'm really sorry for the ones that died. And I need y'all to pray for me to be safe. And I really do need for y'all to pray for me to be safe. So, hope me and Matey will survive this. And I think this is maybe a thunderstorm or a tornado. So, bye.